How can I make my guests feel welcome? A warm welcome makes a world of difference for guests. If you're based near your property, it's a great idea to briefly greet them or say goodbye, to check they're happy and to build positive rapport. We advise our owners to include a welcome pack for guests. Providing a pint of milk, some tea, coffee and sugar is a great start. For an extra touch, arriving after a long journey to find some local treats and a simple vase of flowers with a welcome note on the table is sure to bowl your guests over. For more ideas on what to include, check out our Welcome Pack Essentials post on the Sykes blog. Under the Bookings tab in your owner portal, you'll be able to see your guest booking details along with a preferred telephone number and email address. We actively encourage owners to reach out to their guests before their trip to find out some more details about them and their holiday. This is for practical info, like where they're travelling from, if they need a zip-link bed preparing, and if they have any dietary requirements for the welcome pack. But it's also an opportunity to see if they're celebrating a special occasion, so that you can leave a simple card or extra little treat to make them smile. In your owner portal, bookings that have an icon of a person in the status column means that they're a returning guest to your property. It'll be nice to recognise this and welcome them back so they feel special. Great communication and thoughtful gestures like all of these make a massive impression on holidaymakers, meaning you're likely to receive great feedback and secure some repeat holiday bookings too.